The day after I arrived in Seattle, and after spending a good part of the day working, it was time to go to the Amtrak Union Station, the King Street Station in Seattle. It turned out to be a special place, so let's take a look and see what this place was like. The picture you're seeing right now is a picture of what it looked like in the mid-50s. Let's see what it looks like now. After having a coffee at the local coffee shop just across from the Cadillac Hotel, I decided to take a walk over to the Amtrak station from there. It was only a couple of blocks. The distinguishing feature of this place is the tower with the clock, and it's classic for that kind of era. The station is small, surprisingly small for a train station in Seattle. Okay, I'm at the Amtrak King Street Station, waiting for my mother. They won't let me go out on the track area. That's apparently verboten. And I'm a novice at taking trains, so I didn't know that. But I'll be waiting in here, taking a few pictures of the station. I gotta say, it's not the most ornate train station that I've seen either here or on TV. But it's clearly been here a while, and it's got some legacy to it, and we'll take a look around while we wait. The tall benches that you'll see here, that's what I always think of when I see a train station. The station has been restored, but the glamour of it seems to be from the 1920s or 1930s. And in some ways, it just reminds me of something that wasn't really completed when it came to a restoration. It's small, it's well done, but somehow some things were left less than perfectly touched. There's no question that these ceilings had to have gotten a lot of attention, however. The floors are imperfect, and they clearly got cleaned and brought back to their original state as much as possible, but they weren't replaced. They have cracks and imperfections, and that makes it better. It's true. Look how they shine. There she comes. And with the arrival of my mother, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.